The Weld-On Pool Spa product series was developed to meet the professional needs of contractors in assembling PVC pipes and fittings for pool and spa applications. Each product possesses unique properties that provide high-performance solutions for pool and spa installations based on their specific requirements. In this video, we detail the unique properties of each of our pool and spa cements to help you select the best fit for your project. Weld-On offers solvent cements specifically formulated for basic installation of rigid PVC pipe and fittings in pool and spa applications. 740 PVC Pool is a regular-bodied cement, best for bonding pipe and fittings up to 4 inches in diameter. 744 PVC Pool is a medium-bodied cement, best for bonding pipe and fittings up to 6 inches in diameter. 746 PVC Pool is a heavy-bodied cement, best for bonding pipe and fittings up to 12 inches in diameter. When a fast-setting cement is required for wet and quick pressurization applications, two formulas provide the perfect solution. 747 Pool or Spa, the original blue solvent cement, provides a very fast set time and is best for basic installation as well as maintenance and repair of medium diameter pipe and fittings. 748 PVC Pool Fast is ultra-fast setting and high strength, ideal for quick pressurization installation, maintenance, and repair applications. 747 and 748 also feature a blue color to see the application that fades to clear in sunlight for clean-looking joints. 795 PVC Flex is a premium formulation for creating high-strength joints for flexible and/or rigid PVC pipes and fittings. To ensure optimal preparation for applying these pool and spa cements, Weld-On has designed a complementary cleaner and primer. Pool Cleaner is formulated for the removal of oil and grease from pipe surfaces in pool and spa applications. Pool Primer is essential for the softening and preparation of pipe and fitting surfaces prior to cementing the joints. Visit us online at www.weldon.com for detailed information about these pool and spa products, applicators, accessories, and more.